In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to automatically label emails in Gmail using filters. This will help you organize your inbox efficiently and ensure you never miss important messages. So let's dive right into it. First, you want to open your Gmail account. Once you're logged in, direct your attention to the search bar located right at the top of your inbox. This is your starting point for creating a filter. To access the filter settings, look for the Show Search Options icon, which appears as three horizontal lines with a dot on each end. Clicking this icon will open a new window where you can set your filter criteria. Now, let's define the criteria that will trigger this filter. In the Search Options window, you have several fields to choose from. You might want to filter messages by a specific sender's email address, or perhaps based on keywords found in the subject line or the body of the email. Think about what kinds of emails you want to sort, and enter the relevant details in the appropriate fields. The more specific you are, the better your filter will perform. Once you've set your parameters, it's time to create the filter. At the bottom of the Search Options window, you'll find an option to Create Filter. Click on it, and you're halfway there. In the next window, you'll need to tell Gmail what action to take with emails that match your criteria. Look for the option that says Apply the label and check the box next to it. Applying labels is an excellent way to categorize your emails automatically as they come in, keeping your inbox organized and allowing you to locate important messages quickly. Now, it's time to choose the label you want to use for these emails. You'll see a drop-down menu that lists all your current labels. If you already have a suitable label, simply select it. If not, you have the option to create a new label that better fits your needs. For instance, you might create a label for business emails or personal messages. At this point, if you want to extend this filter to emails you already have in your inbox, there's an optional step. You'll see a box that says Also Apply Filter to Matching Conversations. Check this box if you want the filter to apply to existing emails that meet the criteria you've set. Finally, click Create Filter to save your new filter and put it into action. Once saved, the filter will start working immediately, tagging incoming emails that match your criteria with the designated label automatically. That's it. By following these steps, you've just created a filter that will help keep your Gmail inbox organized and give you peace of mind knowing that important emails won't slip through the cracks.